Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. Today's video is going to be a haul. Sephora recently did a huge sale where a lot of their items were already on sale and then you get an extra 20% off sale items. So I went a little ham. I went shopping online twice. I went in store to see if they had anything different than what they offered online, and they did. So I got a whole bunch of new stuff. Some of it didn't come yet. I have a few other items on the way. I tried a few of the products out while I got ready for today's video, so I'll kind of give you my little first impressions on some of the items as well. Before we hop on into it, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy it, and if you'd like to know everything I got, then please just keep watching. So basically, I thought I needed a bunch of new makeup for 2021. I haven't branched out that much in a couple of years with makeup, so I thought now was the time. First thing I got was this one size palette from Patrick Starr. I used it on my eyes today. They are the two matte shadows I used. I didn't dig too much into the palette because I didn't want to do anything crazy today, but oh my gosh, these shades are so pigmented and they blend out so nicely. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure I saw a bunch of bad reviews on this palette. I might be thinking of a different one, but so far for me, they blend out so smoothly, and I mean, they're working out on my eyes. I use the shades Soft Serve and Brownie, just two matte shades. So far I'm liking it. I cannot wait to do an olive look. These greens in the palette, I think that's going to be my next makeup look. I wanted to branch out into trying some more foundations, so I got a bunch. I think I have another one on the way as well. I just can't exactly remember the rest of the things that I bought, but the first one I got was the Becca Skin Love. All of these foundations started selling out really fast. A lot of the shades were not available after just one day. I'm so glad that I saw the sale the first day it happened, because I didn't get any emails up until a week later about the sale. I snatched up these items really fast. So the first one I got was the Becca Skin Love. It's the Weightless Blur foundation. I got the shade Olive, and I think this one is going to be pretty true to my natural skin tone. I'm really excited to try it. It looks like it is a dewy foundation. Can't tell, but usually Becca tends to go for the highlighted, glowy, luminous look, so I'm gonna assume it's a dewy foundation. Next up, I got the Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation. This is the one that I'm wearing today. Oh my gosh, it is so full coverage. You really only need a tiny little bit and it goes a really long way. It is also not heavy on the face whatsoever. So I got the shade Cheesecake 250G. It said it had peachy golden undertones, and I kind of made it work with the rest of my face products, but I felt like it was too pink for my skin. I'm not sure. It could have just been the lighting in here because it's dark and I've got all of my bright lights on right now, but so far I like it. It felt really velvety on the skin, very full coverage. The next foundation I could not get online because all of the shades sold out, but when I went in the store there was tons more to choose from. So I got the Too Faced Peach Perfect matte foundation. I usually don't go for the matte foundation since I have dry skin, but I thought I would try it out because, you know, sometimes I like to do matte looks, sometimes matte foundations work with my skin anyways, so thought I would try it. It smells like peaches, smells so good. For this one I got the shade Warm Beige, which I think will match my natural skin tone pretty nicely. When I swatched it at Sephora, it felt like a really moussey texture, so I'm not really sure if it's gonna work for me, but I thought I would try anyways. It was really affordable since it was on sale. I actually got a lot of these items for around 70% off. The sale was insane. And the last foundation I got is the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. A lot of people love this foundation, so I thought I would give it a try finally. This foundation's been around forever. Actually, I think all of these have. It's a very kind of fun bottle. You press the foundation out onto this little plastic piece that's on top of the foundation, and you can just pick it up with your beauty blender or your brush directly from here and put it on. I got the shade number 4. The way it looks in the bottle looks like it'll be my shade for when I'm tanned, which I do have my tanner on, but it fades from my neck and my chest really fast. Maybe I'll squeeze a little bit out. Oh yeah, this is definitely too dark to be my natural shade, but it will definitely match me when I have my tan on. While we're on face products, I got this Too Faced Peach Perfect Matte Instant Coverage Concealer. I also tried this out today. It made my under eyes so bright. I loved it instantly. I did kind of mess it up because I put it on and then I put powder on, and then I thought that I wanted a little bit more coverage, so then I went back in with the concealer. I don't know what I was thinking. Putting a cream product back on top of a powder, but anyways. I messed it up. Initially, it was really amazing. It diffused my under eye discoloration so much. I have pretty prominent indents in my under eyes and discoloration, so I'm always a fan of high coverage concealers. This one I got in the shade Bisque, and I think it's the perfect color for my under eyes. I always like my concealer to be a little bit lighter than my foundation, so it not only conceals, but it also brightens and highlights my face. I also pop this into the center of my face, and even though it is a pretty thick cream product, it didn't cake up on my face. So far I'm liking all of the products I tried. Okay, these were an insane deal. I got 2 pairs of the Anastasia false lashes. I think there was only 2 pairs that I could get my hands on. But anyways, these were on sale for $8 plus an extra 20% off. I'm pretty sure these were like $5 lashes. But anyways, I got the style Dreamy, which is kind of a wispy, dramatic lash. And then I got this style So Hollywood, which is really fluffy, full glam. They're both very dramatic lashes, so I'm excited to try them out. I love false eyelashes. I can't even believe that this was on sale, but this is one of the Melt eyeshadow stacks. This one is the Blueprint stack. If you haven't heard of Melt or these eyeshadows, basically they're all stacked on top of each other and they're magnetic. So you just open them up and there is 4 duos in here. There's 4 kind of bluey shades, and then there is 4 more neutral shades. I'm wearing this one right now as a highlighter and on the inner corners of my eyes. It's so pretty. These eyeshadows are so smooth. I'm actually going to swatch one of these blues so you can see how insane these eyeshadows are. I've been wanting to try the Melt eyeshadows for way too long. I've literally held off for way too long on a lot of these products. Okay, I think the last things are a bunch of lip products. Actually, I got this with my points. This is the Isla Limitless Lash Mascara. I actually don't know how to pronounce this. Isla, I'm not sure. It's the After Midnight Mascara, and I am mentioning it because I have it on my eyelashes right now. And I haven't actually liked a mascara on its own since the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So that's saying a lot because that mascara came out forever ago, and I was gonna put on false lashes today, but I decided not to because I like my eyelashes enough with just this on. So I'm happy that I picked this up with my points. These I didn't get on the sale. My husband got me 2 of the new Fenty Gloss Bomb creams, and I wanted to mention them in this video since they're brand new and I wanted to share my opinions on them. So I got the shades Honey Waffles and Fenty Glow. Fenty Glow's in my purse in the other room, so I didn't want to get it. But oh my gosh, these are amazing. So they're lip glosses, but they're literally just a cream, so they have no sparkle in them. They're just shiny. So beautiful. It's a nice thick lip gloss. You can just see the shine as I'm showing you in the camera. Definitely my new favorite lip glosses for sure. This guy also wasn't on sale, but I've been wanting this lipstick for so long. I actually forgot about it, and then when I saw it in store, I was like, oh yeah, I wanted to buy that. So this is one of the Sephora collection lip stories. This one is in the shade Tan Lines, and it's just a nude. Really a perfect nude. And it is a creamy lipstick. I wore it a couple times since I bought it, and I really like it. I'm pretty sure this lipstick is only $10. Another product that wasn't on sale, but I still bought, was one of the new Buxom Full Force lipstick shades, and I got the shade Fly Girl. I love these lipsticks, and I really wanted to pick up one of the new shades. So again, just another nude, but this is what the color looks like right there. You can kind of see the color a lot better as I hold it up. These lipsticks are also plumping, so they plump up your lips when you apply them. So good. Okay, basically all of these were sold out in an instant, so I only got one shade because the rest were really bright. and colorful, like purples and blues. I didn't want those. I ended up snagging the shade Shoddy. Can't even say that properly, how embarrassing of me. But this is one of the Fenty Beauty Blush Matte Lipsticks. Oh, I wish I could have grabbed more of these. This is the shade I got, just a really deep brown, kind of red undertones. So pretty. I'm really excited to use this when I do more of a dramatic look. Oh my gosh, this one, so cute. So I've never tried this brand before. It is Kaja or Kaha, I'm not sure how the J is pronounced. This is one of their natural finish lipsticks in the shade Ride or Die. Look at this lipstick. It is literally in the shape of a heart. I don't want to swatch this one because I think I want to do a little video of it, but look how cute. Literally a little heart. Okay, I think we're down to the last two things, and they're also lipsticks. I really needed some new nudes in my life. I got one of the Too Faced Moisture Matte lipsticks. These are the peach infused ones. I already know that I love these ones, and I got the shade Got Peach. So this is that one right here. These ones smell like an Orange Julius. Oh my gosh. I have the shade Doll Face in one of these lipsticks, and I always use it to put in the center of my lips if I want to make any of my lipsticks more light or nude, because it's a really light nude shade. And then last thing I got was this little lipstick duo from Huda Beauty, and I know I already love these lipsticks too. My favorite one, it's my everyday color, called Staycation, and this duo has Girls Trip and Interview. So I have Interview on my lips right now. It's really deep brown nude red, and then Girls Trip is more on the pinky side. I'll swatch this one. These are just really velvety, so smooth on your lips. I am absolutely obsessed with these. Okay guys, well that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see the last few things that I got from the sale, I will put them up on my Instagram stories within the next few days. If you want to head over and follow me on Instagram if you want to end up seeing that mini haul, and then I'll also obviously do my drugstore haul. I'm so excited to play with all this new makeup. All I'm gonna do now is sit in my room and play with new makeup for the next week. So please don't forget to subscribe for leave, like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave in the comments below if you picked up anything from this Sephora sale, if you even knew about it. I was so shocked when they came out with this sale and so happy. But I will see you guys next time. Bye!